Hi everyone, I'm Lizzie and welcome to Lizzie Loves Languages. Bienvenidos a Lizzie Loves Languages. This is our part 2 for verb to be. Remember that the past lesson we were talking about verb to be and how in Spanish we have two verbs for to be, either ser or estar. In this video, you will learn about verb estar and when to use it. The conjugations for verb estar are yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, usted, formal, está, nosotros estamos, ustedes están, vosotros estáis, ellos y ellas están. Now in English we talked about how verb to be won't change. For that verb, we also say I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, and we all are, or you all are. Ready? In this video, we will learn about the acronym for estar, which is place. Guess what? It'll be easy for you to remember since verb estar is way more related to place or location. The first letter on the acronym for verb estar is the P or la letra P. Letter P stands for position or posición, meaning where the things are placed. For example, la taza de café está sobre la mesa. The cup of coffee is on top of the table. Now in English you are not that specific saying where it is. In Spanish you are being way more specific, only by using verb estar. The next letter in the acronym is letter L. L standing for lugar or location. For example, la puerta está en la entrada de la casa. The door is in the front of the house. You're talking about where the door is located. Or you can also say, the students are playing outside in the front yard. O puedes decir que los niños están jugando o los estudiantes están jugando en el frente de la yarda. The next letter in the acronym will be letter A, la letra A. Letter A this time stands for action, meaning that any verb that is in progressive form or ending in ing. En español sería cualquier verbo que esté terminando en ando, yendo. For example, yo estoy corriendo. I am running. The students are eating in the cafeteria. Los estudiantes están comiendo en la cafetería. You're using verb estar for expressing action with the verbs ing, or in Spanish, ando or yendo. The next letter in the acronym is letter C. C stands for condition or condición, the way things are, or we can also use verb estar referring to the condition of the weather. For example, el té está caliente. My tea is hot. Afuera está lloviendo. Outside it's raining. Or, afuera está nublado. Outside it's cloudy. Condition, meaning that the weather can change or the temperature of a tea or a cup of coffee might also change. The last letter in the acronym is letter E, which stands for emotions or emociones, meaning that whenever you're talking about anybody being in a specific way or feeling in a specific form, you use verb to be or estar. I can say, I am sick. Yo estoy enferma. You can also say, tú estás contento. You are happy. Now we have reviewed all the letters in the acronym for verb estar. Remember, verb estar is more related to words position and place. So our acronym will be easy to remember. Place. Are you ready for a small recap? Let's do it. Alright everybody, that is all for today. Thank you for sticking around and don't forget to click subscribe and stick around for the next episode on Lizzie Loves Languages. Goodbye!